Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we will be talking about Shopify. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Now without further ado, let's begin with today's video. What exactly is Shopify? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store. It enables you to sell online, both through your own website and in person by using a point-of-sale app. Shopify is easy to use for everyone, from novice drop shippers to fast-growing D2C brands. Sign up for a free Shopify trial to try it out for yourself. During your trial, you can create your own store, try out the free Shopify app, and sell online if promoted effectively. Most first-time store owners, however, start with the basic Shopify plan, which costs $29 per month. If you've had an e-commerce business for a while, what services does Shopify offer? Shopify provides the foundation for running an e-commerce business. It allows you to open a storefront, display products, communicate with customers, accept payments, and more. Shopify provides you with all the tools you need to perform each of these activities. What exactly is Shopify Plus? It has advanced reporting features, priority customer support, the ability to handle high order volumes, and other benefits. What exactly is Shopify Starter? Allows you to sell products across multiple social media platforms. You only need a picture and a brief description of your product. Shopify Starter lets you share your products for $5 per month. What products can you sell on Shopify? You can sell anything, including clothing, cosmetics, and home and garden items. Here are some popular items to consider selling: clothing, jewelry, furnishings, travel products, baby or maternity items, luggage and bags, fitness equipment, cosmetics and toiletries, kitchenware, pet supplies, car accessories, and more. Results do not appear immediately. Building a Shopify store is more like starting a business than creating a passive income source. Furthermore, starting a business is not always easy. It takes months of trial and error to figure out how to use Shopify and build a successful store. It can take some time to learn where every part of your store is in the Shopify dashboard. But Shopify is generally easy to use. Just needs some practice. Your success is ultimately in your hands, not Shopify's. Desktop and mobile, you must create or edit your Shopify store. What is POS in Shopify? Using Shopify POS, you can conduct in-person sales at physical stores, trade shows, pop-up shops, and other events. Why Shopify? Shopify's e-commerce pros and cons. Why should your e-commerce company use Shopify? Well, Shopify has some advantages over competing e-commerce platforms. To name a few: professionals in Shopify. 1. Comprehensive Shopify admin. You can find a variety of data and tools to help you better understand how your online store is doing on the back end of your Shopify store. 2. No-cost features. You'll probably have to pay for a theme, the layout, and look of your website if you create a new one. On Shopify, however, a free theme that you can start modifying to your liking is automatically added to your store, then a server. Anyone who has ever paid for servers knows that sometimes they crash when you least expect them, costing you a lot of money and downtime. You have to hope that other websites on the shared server are not as well known. 3. My favorite benefit of switching from WooCommerce to Shopify is that my website will be hosted on a cloud network instead of a server. Anyone who has ever paid for servers knows that sometimes they crash when you least expect them, costing you a lot of money in downtime. You have to hope that other websites on the shared server are not as well known. 4. Countless apps. For practically everything, there's an app available in the Shopify App Store. There are apps for product sourcing, image background removal, countdown clocks, and more. Many apps are available for free, but some require payment. What is POS in Shopify? A program called Shopify POS Point of Sale enables you to sell products offline. Using Shopify POS, you can conduct in-person sales at physical stores, trade shows, pop-up shops, and other events. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. What do you think about today's video? If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you have a great day today, and we'll see you in the next video.